Okay, in section 4.4, we're going to solve two-step inequalities and then graph the solution. So in this first one, we have to solve 5x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 11, and we want to graph that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and see that we're going to minus 4. We do it the opposite order of PEMDAS. So adding and subtracting is usually going to be first. So I'm going to take off this subtracting 4 by adding 4 on both sides of the equation. So this kind of cancels out, leaving me with 5x is greater than or equal to 15. Then I'm going to try to get this gone so I can have x by itself. So I will divide by 5 because it's squished together, it is multiplication. So then this becomes x is greater than or equal to 15 divided by 5, or 3. So then my graphing would include the number 3, the number 4, and the number 2. Because of the equal sign, it'll be a closed circle, and greater than means to the right. So it's a two-steppy problem, taking away the subtraction first, and then taking away the multiplication by dividing. So subtraction we added 4, and then we divided by 5. So I have a second example as well. This one is going to be, let's take away the adding of 4, which means I'll subtract 4, which means I have b over negative 3 is less than 13 minus 4, or 9. At this point, in order to get rid of this, I have to undo dividing by negative 3. So I'm going to multiply by negative 3. Because I'm multiplying by a negative number, I must reverse the sign. So I have the negative 3 and the negative 3 making a positive b. And this is 9 times a negative is a negative 27. So when I graph this, I have to have negative 27, negative 26, negative 28 deeper in the hole. I do not have an equal sign here, so it's an open circle, and it's greater than, so it'll be to the right. So again, I take off the adding first by subtracting 4, and I take away the dividing by negative 3 by multiplying by negative. Because it was a negative 3, the sign reversed. If you think you understand these two examples, you may click next to try one on your own.